with new and better ideas? Do you want to feel empowered and recognized for your innovative ideas? Do you want to make a difference? If your answer is yes, then join us at our innovation webinar and be the difference you want to see. In this webinar, you will gain insight into what is really meant by innovation, why innovation matters, where the good ideas actually come from, and what motivates people to be more innovative. We are going to look at the tools and techniques for creative and innovative thinking that is essential to create outstanding products, businesses, and projects. I am Dr. Bedour Al Bloushi, and I invite you to join me at our webinar about innovation management.